Hey students, let's discuss test for empty relations where I'll discuss exist and not exist. In previous lecture, I already discussed sum and all clause in nested subquery. In case of exist, it will return true if inner query is not empty. If inner query gives empty, then it will be false. The exist return value true if the argument subquery is not empty. In case of exist, inner subquery should not give phi, and in case of not exist, it can give phi. Phi means empty. Let's see one example. Find all course taught in both fall 2017 semester and in the spring 2018 semester. In outer subquery, we'll find courses taught in fall 2017 semester, and in inner subquery, we'll find course taught in spring 2018 semester. If it exists in inner subquery, then that will be in both semester. So select course ID from section as X, where semester equals to fall and year equals to 2017. It will give course ID from section of fall 2017 semester. Then exist inner subquery, select star from section as T, where semester equals to spring and year equals to 2018, and S course ID equals to T course ID. S for outer subquery, T for inner subquery. Here we are using two alias for section. One is S, another is T. Inner subquery will give the course ID from semester spring and year 2018, and S course ID should be equals to T course ID. Then we can say the courses taught in both fall 2017 and spring 2018. First, we will run the inner subquery. It will give list of course ID taught in spring 2018. Then we'll run the outer subquery. It will give list of course which are present in the inner subquery, which exist in the inner subquery. And that will be for both fall 2017 and spring 2018 semester. Here, what is correlation name and correlated subquery? S is the correlation name that is present in the outer subquery and used in the inner subquery, whereas this inner subquery is the correlated subquery. Correlation name from the outer query can be used in a subquery in the where clause. Here S we used in the where clause. This is the subquery that uses the correlation name S from the outer query called as correlated subquery. Here correlation name is S and correlated subquery is the inner query. In place of exist, we can also write not exist. Here if we will write not exist, it will give list of course taught in fall 2017 semester but not in spring 2018 semester. If we are writing exist, it will give course that taught in both, but if we are writing not exist, that will give courses that taught in outer subquery but not in inner subquery. Let's see another example. Find all students who have taken all courses offered in the biology department. We'll write the SQL query using not exist. Select distinct SID, SName from student as S, where not exist. Then select course ID from course, where department name equals to biology, except select T course ID from Tech as T, where SID equals to TID. This total is inner subquery. There are two parts. This is the first part. This is the second part. First, we'll execute the inner subquery. So the first subquery give all the course taught in biology department, and the second subquery will give all the course one student take. The outer select Tech is student and test whether the set of all courses that the student has taken contain the set of all courses offered in the biology department. Suppose biology department offer course X, Y, Z and student take course X, A, B, Z, Y. Suppose this is some student with ID 101. Now it will match. Is it take the course offered by biology department? Yes, X, Y and Z matches. So the outer query check further each student take course offered by biology department. If any student take course offered by biology department plus some extra courses like here A and B, that also show in the output. Here you can see not exist except. It's like negation. So it will show all the students who have taken course in the biology department. If x minus y equals to 5, that means x is subset of y. Here let this is x, this is y. It will give all the course from biology department. Actually y is the superset, x is subset of y. It will give set of course ID from tech where student ID equals to tech ID. Means it will give all the course ID which student takes. And x will give only course ID that biology department offer. So x minus y equals to 5 here. That means x is subset of y. X will give only biology department course ID, whereas y will give all the course ID that student takes. We cannot write this using equal all. In previous lecture I discussed equal all and sum. Just go through the previous lecture. All means everything should be equal. All the tuples should be equal. In case of sum tuples should be equal. In today's lecture I discussed exist and not exist. In next lecture I will discuss test for duplicate value. For that we will use the unique and not unique. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.